I'm doing a PETG print which is aesthetical print. It is a sword mount which needs to have a perfect top layer. I don't want to use too much filament, so I'm using a 15% rectilinear infill, which is amazing for perfect top layers, and being cost saving for the filament, it is your best choice. But there is a problem. This is a failed print, and you probably see a disconnection with rectilinear print. You see how much failed spots there is, and you're getting these high spots, and as the print is going up you will get defects on the top layer and a lot of filament spent. You want to get infill like this. This looks perfect, and the top layer gonna be perfection, and this is just 13% rectilinear infill. So how to solve this problem with PETG? With PETG filament, manufacturers are by default setting too high infill speed. You want to lower it. The default here was 250, and I did lower it to 150, and I'm getting something like this. It is also here perfect. It started doing a color swap here. It is doing a first layer bridge fill to make a ground for further printing. So this is not defective, this is just the shape which is in undercolor. You can see here that we are having the perfect infill.